Hey everyone, welcome to video 7 in the 7 video series of the power of habits. And as we wrap up this video series, this is about maybe long-term planning and maintenance of our habits. One thing I recommend is that you regularly revisit the habits that you have. Maybe going through this video series just as a trigger for thinking about it and going through it. They're quick, they're short, they're simple, but it might be a nice process for you to revisit on a regular basis and getting your mind focused and thinking about what are the habits that are serving me? What are some I need to maybe remove, maybe maintain, maybe replace, going through all the distinctions, but have a regular review process of our habits. Because a lot of times when we're not thinking about them and we're unintentional about our habits, we'll go back to some of those bad habits. We'll go back to some of the things that we actually changed and implemented, or we'll forget about some of the good habits that we were working on that we're no longer putting in place. Maybe have a habit journal, or at least some place where you look at the habits that you have in your life and how they're impacting your life. And maybe you aggregate all the work that you did over the course of these 7 video series as a reminder. And even if you don't revisit all of the videos themselves, you put a note in your calendar. Maybe it's once a month, maybe it's once a quarter, to review habits. And you just take out your log or your notes from these videos and whatever other resources you've used so that you have a regular maintenance and revisit of your habits and the ones you want, maybe the ones you want to diminish or remove. And as we talked about earlier, there's a significant portion of our daily actions that are actually just habitual. And so if that's the case, we just want to be really aware and intentional with the habits that we do have and maybe make some shifts and adjustments so that they impact our lives in a positive way. Hope you enjoyed this 7 video series. It's been great to be with you. Drop some comments and feedback. Would love to hear how these videos have impacted your life and look forward to connecting with you soon.